Sa kawai ka kanhon Nonghikai ad hoc ka ai ka tengum ka Federation of All Mikaya ad hoc Secondary Teachers Association ni Famasta kai Kynduh ya Commissioner and Secretary ketanat poliputi ka jila ubiji menteri mentak sengi ka apply tri noil ajal pesan Halor ka Tulop kanoyam ka seng ka kong mena khar umnoit ka yathu mentak sengi baka seng ka adawa ban ai basic pay plus ya baro Nonghikai school ad hoc lani lada kasokal kapla ban syukente Tulop no sispa persen kani ka jingi Kynduh ka Famasta ka jiaru Katba ka Federation of All School Teacher of Mikraya ni Fastom kadang penlong ka jingi Iakhih bandawa na kasokal ban pendrung deficit no ya baro Nonghikai school ad hoc ha ka jela.
Actually, what happened? We asked for the appointment to the commissioner, and he gave us appointment today at 10 o'clock. So we went and meet him, and we got some positive, so to say, positive reply. Although it is not immediate, but then it will take time till the 6th pay commission is announced or it comes, and then by the month of October he has given us assurance again to meet him, and he said the government wants actually the problem of the ad hoc teacher's salary or the grant to solve this problem once and for all. It's not that every time there will be agitation, every time the different association will come, and then you see it is as you know that we have been the oldest organization for last 27 years. We have come up to the present rate of grant which we are receiving now with the dialogues with the government only. And then gradually they enhance, and then right now whatever we are receiving is with the proper dialogue with the government. So that is why especially for the ad hoc teachers, we told them that to solve this problem and to keep aside this discrimination of the various categories of the teachers in the state of Meghalaya, especially the ad hoc teachers, please give us basic plus DA to all the categories of the teachers in the state of Meghalaya, and also, if not possible, 100% enhancement. But they said that we are very much, it is in our mind, and we are trying to solve this problem once and for all. That is their answer. You know, as we are fighting for the rights and welfare of the teachers, discrimination of the teachers in a different category is not tolerable. So that is why we told the government, see sir, with a humble way we have come to appeal you, and please do something as early as possible which will solve the problem of the ad hoc teachers, and also at the present rate of inflation that ad hoc teachers community in the state can survive a living life which is pleasant or acceptable in the state. So through this media, I also like to appeal to all my dear ad hoc teachers of the state from the Famasta to give us support and have faith that we are fighting, we are appealing to the government every now and then, and we hope that the government will definitely hear our appeal, our request, and hopefully after the 6th pay commission some good result will come out. That is